Fun fact, you can earn money just by copying and pasting. Don't believe me? Well, lots of people have earned money using this method. You could earn $9 in an hour or less, and all you need to do was copy and paste. This is a really easy way to make some money, and you don't need to have any work experience or technical skills to be able to do this. Stay with me so that you can learn all the ins and outs and get started earning money in a matter of minutes. This is a completely free technique. You won't need to shell out any cash to be able to start earning, and all you need is at least a phone to be able to do this. You can do this from wherever you are on the planet. Are you from the US, Canada, Italy, Nigeria, Pakistan, or Mexico? Well, even if you aren't, you can still cash out with this method. As long as you're able to connect to the internet, you can do this. I'll show you exactly how this money-making method works, and you'll see how easy all of it is. Be sure to stay until the end of the video before you get started doing anything though, because you might miss out on some really important information. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Alrighty, let's get to making some money. So the website that you're going to be using today looks just like this. To be able to get to this page, you're going to open up a browser and scooch your booch over to Zazzle.com. This is a really great money-making platform, and in today's video, I'm going to share why. So now that you're here, you're probably wondering what this website is for. Now this website is pretty much a design platform that holds over 100 patents. They have all sorts of designs up here for pretty much anything that you can think of. This site is made up of customers, designers, partners, brands, and makers. Everyone on here is connected on a daily basis, and with this platform, you can create your own designs for things like invitations. This is a really easy platform to use, so even if you have zero experience as a graphic designer, this is still something that you can maneuver. One of the cool things about this platform is that once you come up with a design, you can actually have it created into physical products like shirts, mugs, cards, and so many more things. Plus, you won't even need to do anything to sell the products because this platform pretty much does it all for you. In a way, this is a really great way to be able to make some passive income. Come up with designs and then Zazzle creates the products for you, and then you make sales. It's really quick and simple. Now, if you want to get an idea of their products, you can click up here on the search bar, and then a menu will drop down, and from there you can just click on products. When you do that, it'll pull up a whole page of products that they sell. These products were all created through the designer tool, so if you want to learn exactly how to be able to do this, you're going to want to keep watching because I have a step-by-step guide for you. Now, the most popular products on here are cards and invitations. They have all sorts of cards that you can think of, from thank you cards to birthday cards. Whatever you happen to be looking for, they probably have it. There are even gift wraps and gift guides. What you're going to want to do is create products to be able to sell, right? Well, to do that, you're first going to need to sign up for a free account. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the very first step is going to be to click on this button right here. That is going to bring you to a page like this where you're going to smash this button right here. Now you should be able to sign up, and you can choose to do that in one click if you sign up with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. If you don't want to do that though, you can type in your email address and then password, and now that that's done, your account should be ready and you should be able to start selling here on this site. Congratulations!
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, share this video, and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Oh yeah, I think I forgot to tell you that this platform is available on pretty much any device. You can download this on any phone, whether it be an Android or an iPhone. So if you don't have a laptop or a computer to be able to do this, you can still access the platform by downloading the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Anywho, your account should be up and ready to go, so let's dive into how you're actually going to be making money. Now over here, you're going to look for the Create Your Own option. Do you see it? Great, just click on that. After that, it should take you to a page that looks like this one where you can access the design tool to start making your own designs. As I mentioned earlier, doing this is completely free, so don't worry about needing to pay to be able to design because this site won't charge you anything. Now just go click on the button that says Start Creating. One of the other pros to using this platform is they actually have some templates that have already been done for you. All you need to do is a bit of tweaking, and then you can have your designs ready to be printed, and your products can be sold, and then just like that, you can start earning money. If you look right over here, you should be able to see those templates that I was talking about. Now, just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here. Say for example, this is going to be an invitation for the holidays. Over here, I can customize the card and fix it to my liking. You can change the text color or the font style. There really is a lot that you can do on here. There are also elements that you can add. If you take a look right here, you can add icons and even a background if you want. Let's say I wanted the background to be red. So to do that, I would click this right here and look for red. Now I have a red background and it was really easy to do. If I want to do things like ornaments, I can click on the icons thing right here and search for ornaments. Options should come up that I can use in my design. I can even resize the icon if I want to and change the colors if I really want it to be different. As you can see, everything is really quick and easy, and you don't need to have any graphic design experience to be able to do this. Because of the design tool, this whole process is a breeze. It's so easy to change up a design and use some of their pre-made templates, which saves you a ton of time. Once everything looks how you want it to look, you can just download the design right here, and that will save it to whatever device you're on. Alright, I've got a bonus tip that's going to help you out big time. There is a way to double or even triple your earnings, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, if you can go back to the home page right here, you can actually scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the part that talks about referring friends. So one of the cool things about Zazzle is they actually pay you for referring your friends and family. You can earn a whopping $25 for every single friend or family member of yours that signs up to Zazzle using your link. If you take a look right here, they actually go through how all of it works. So obviously, first they're going to give you a personalized link to share on your social media or send out emails. Once you share that link with someone, that person will actually get a pretty big discount to be able to use on Zazzle. They would get 60% off on cards and 20% off on all other products as long as they have an order that's worth more than $25. Once your friend's order is shipped out, you would receive a $25 coupon code to be able to use on Zazzle. That's a pretty good deal, right? Well, if you want to be able to get a referral link and start scoring some savings, then you need to go ahead and input your email address right here. After that, you're going to get a personalized link that you can share, and then you can start making $25 over and over and over again. Share your link everywhere and you can make some big bucks. You can share your link on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, pretty much anywhere you can think of. Once you combine those two techniques on Zazzle, you should be able to make hundreds of dollars in no time. As I said earlier, this is really easy to do and I highly recommend that you try it out. That's all I've got for you today, my friend.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.